NLG, welcome back. I'm going to show you guys how to download Nintendo's 3DS emulator. Reason being is because I was just curious on how to play like Nintendo games, because they don't, you can buy Nintendos, but they're expensive as crap. So I was just trying to figure out what's the easiest way to do it. So what you're going to do is, which I'll have the link in the description, but you're going to come here to Citra. Now I already have it downloaded, but I'm going to try and walk you through on how to download the other version. So there's two versions. There's Nightly and then there's Curry, I believe. We'll see. Or Canary. There you go. One's a beta, one's not. So I'll show you guys that whenever we get there. So when you get to this page, citra-emu.org, it'll look like this. You can either click download or you can go to download here. I just click download here. It should take you to this page. Now, it auto detects your platform you're using. So if you have Windows, it'll auto detect. If you don't, it'll auto detect whatever you're using here. But you can click other platforms and it'll show you. So you have Mac, Linux, Windows, and then you can get it on Android devices as well. So click download, let it download. Once it finishes, you'll hit this Citra setup window. One thing I do remember that I should let you guys know is if you're running with the new MacBooks, like the one with the M1 chipset, you're not going to be able to do this because they're not that updated with it yet. So the Citra setting, or the Citra setup wizard, there's no need to even click this button. It's all set up how you need to set it up. So you'll hit next wherever you want it. I have it set to my location, so next. There's already a directory here. Cool. So we will make a separate area for it, just for this demonstration. So we'll select that. There we go. And then we'll hit next. See, I already have Nightly downloaded, so I will deselect that and I'll select Citra. But I recommend, because this one's a beta, this one's a stable. So I recommend downloading both just in case you have a game that does not work or does work. From there, you'll hit next, agree, and then startup menu. Yep, Citra, ready to install. It's going to download it. Now my computer's kind of slow, but bear with me. Oh, let me get back to it while that's installing. So to download games, and we'll get back to this too, the link will be in the description. What you'll do is you'll type in hex rom Citra games. From here, you'll click on this hex rom, and then this is the page. So what I like is your game, or you'll just click here, and then you can search through and find them. They got 64 pages of whatever games you want. But for instance, I will show you, I'm going to download Pokemon Y. So it popped up, it's this first one. From there, you'll hit download. Okay, and then hold on, it looks like, okay, it's finished. Cool. So finished. So from there, once you hit that download button, it'll say US, USA, USA. It's all different. One's decrypted, one's encrypted. I would recommend probably this one, the encrypted, if you can. So you hit download. and it's going to download for you. Actually, what we'll do is, for the purposes of the video, which it should be fine, we'll cancel those. We'll go back here and we'll do this one. So it'll download it, yep. And then from there, while that's downloaded, let me show you. You'll go to Citra test, the folder we made. Hit Canary. And then you'll go here to Citra QT. You'll hit that. Once you open that up, come on computer, what you doing? Let's see. It's loading, there we go. I'm already in. I already have a game set. You download it. From there, whenever this gets downloaded, which is going to take a while, it looks like. But for instance, here, let me show you. You will, from here, whenever this is opened up, you'll go here to Emulation, Configure. This is for your settings. So this is your general settings. So what I like to do, since I play Pokemon, is I like to set, because the game's kind of slow, I set mine to 150%. You can go all the way up to unthrottled. It'd be like insanely hard to play. So I keep it right at 150. Like that. I do that. I mean, everybody's different. Then you go here to System. You can change all this. I wouldn't even really worry about this. I would go to Graphics, and from here, this is originally set to 400 by 240. Now, depending on your computer, you can go all the way up to 4000 by 2400, which is like 4K resolution and all that high definition stuff. But I keep mine on 3. From there, you'll go here to Controls, and you can set them however you want. You can go, for instance, the A button, you can set it to Q if you wanted, or whatever works for you. So also, if you do want to, you can hook up a controller to this, and you can set the hotkeys like this to the controller. From here, you should be good. And then, since I have the game downloaded already, I will show you guys. You'll hit here. This is how you add a new one. And you'll go into your downloads. And I already downloaded Pokemon X, so what you would do is you would hit this. Then you would hit select. But I already have it downloaded, so that's why it's showing here. Then, to show you that it works, we'll go ahead and exit out of all this. No, you don't even worry about it. We'll exit out of, oh, that needs to stay up there. All right, so double click this. You'll hit, I like to have access. And it's gonna run it. Now, my computer's kind of slow, but I'm still going to show you that it's pretty smooth, runs decent, and trust me, you can add any game you would like. What I mean by that is when you go here, when you go to that, you can I'm going to show you guys the gameplay. And is go to that. You'll hit download on the game you want, and then you'll hit the best for it. So, this is it. Let me exit out of everything real quick. For these purposes, we'll go configurations, and we'll change our graphics to the basic. So just so you guys know, so you go here and you hit OK. Alright, and then I already have a game up. And my computer's running slow because I don't have a computer that actually can run recording and a game at the same time. But as you can see, if you have multiple things running with a small computer, it's going to be a struggle. But what I suggest is you mess with the settings. This is also the beta, so the tester, so it's not stable at all either. So let me show you the Citra nightly. Let me see if that one runs smoothly one last time. So we'll double click that. That should load up pretty good. It's the more stable version of it. Computer's a little slow, but that's okay. That's okay. It's a little bit smoother, see? It's already loaded up. It's good. But yeah, we're all set. Runs smoothly. So I would recommend to download the nightly. But if your computer can handle both, then I would. As you can see, my computer cannot. But that's it. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And don't forget to like, comment, and hit that bell. Peace, NLG.